We're kind of at this crossroads in the market today where
Hmm.
we see all of this really exciting like technology and automation coming into the space. While also, I think there's like a very dire need for travelers to feel like a sense of connection and belonging. And I think we're at this really, really interesting like intersection. It's more important now than ever as we continue to automate and as we continue to bring efficiencies with technologies, which I think are really helpful and important. We do have to couple that with continuing to create spaces that help clinicians feel like they have someone to call, they have a relationship, they have connection, they have a community of support. Because I think the fear is if we completely automate literally everything, there's really kind of this sense of humanity that's lost within the like healthcare process. And that is ultimately leading to clinicians feeling burnt out, feeling like just a transaction, feeling like a number, feeling like everything's like hyper optimized for profitability. And then it leaves them, wanting to quit. I think we're kind of seeing this continue to exist no matter what new tools and technology enter the healthcare staffing space. Like at the end of the
Hmm.
day, if clinicians are not supported, there's always going to be a leaky bucket, right? Like there's always going to be clinicians leaving. So the more technology you build, like there's still going to be clinicians that are needed because we keep churning them out of their jobs. So I think that's kind of how we think about like the balance between like awesome technology, but also maintaining relationships, community, and support that I think is very core to like who healthcare workers are as people.
How do you feel like agencies like Ardor Health, what can they do, like in terms of our part, right? Agencies obviously want to connect more with clinicians. What else could you see from your perspective that agencies could do to kind of better help with this?
Well, Ardor Health is literally one of the best examples of an agency that, is caring for
What?
their travelers. And I think the impact is so obvious in that you build more brand loyalty, you build ambassadors, and all of that, helps Ardor succeed as a business. It helps you place more candidates and jobs. It helps you build retention. It helps you build a talent community around Ardor.